like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process. So reactant for this is nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio 1:3. So nitrogen is taken in 1 ratio and hydrogen as 3. 3 volume of hydrogen are taken in 1 volume of nitrogen. So sources of reactants are this nitrogen is obtained by fractional distillation. Okay, from liquid air of fractional distillation of liquid air, and hydrogen by Bost process. So for Bost process you can write CO plus H2. This is the water gas plus water, which gives us carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. For to balance, we will put here 2. Okay, then what happens is here we have, okay, undo. I am again writing the reaction for Bost process. The reaction is CO plus H2. This is your water gas plus water. Reaction conditions are iron and Fe2O3 500 degrees Celsius, and it will give carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so not water, this is not water, upward arrow hydrogen. Okay, then reaction is for this reaction Haber's process की reaction क्या है, N2 plus hydrogen gives, or this is a reversible reaction, NH3 plus heat. So this is a reversible exothermic and proceeds with a decrease in volume. So there are some favorable conditions for it. They are the temperature of must be optimum temperature is there for 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. 500 degrees Celsius, and pressure above 200 atmospheric or 250 also it can proceed. And catalyst is finely divided iron. This finely divided iron has more surface area, thus it increases the efficiency of catalyst. So there is also promoter molybdenum, or you can say Al2O3 is used. Okay, then how this ammonia is separated from the unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen? So it is by liquefaction. 2 processes are there, by liquefaction or by absorbing in water. Okay, so ammonia is as you know, ammonia is liquefied easily, but N2 and H2 are not liquefied as easily as ammonia, as you know that ammonia is highly soluble in water, and nitrogen and hydrogen are not so soluble, they are slightly soluble. So it is the unchanged, and whatsoever the nitrogen and hydrogen is left, it is recirculated through the plant to get more of ammonia. So this eventually yielded 98% can be more achieved, the ammonia produced stored as liquid under pressure. This condenser contains nearly 15% of ammonia, and the mixture is passed through the cooling pipes condenser. Okay, then we have flow chart for Haber's process. So dry nitrogen is taken in 1 volume, and dry hydrogen 3 volume, that is 1:3, as I already told you. As we know that we have pressure 200 atmospheric, and compression pump is there. Okay, more than 200 atmospheric pressure is there. Then uncombined N2 and H2 recycled back from electrically heated catalyst chamber. Then here we have liquid ammonia. This is the reaction with the reaction condition also within it, and N2 plus H2 gives you NH3 plus heat. It is no wait, I'll show you. See, it is a reversible reaction, heat, exothermic reaction, and these reaction conditions are very important to write. Okay, then we have that this N2 and H2 recycle back is recirculated through the plant to get more of ammonia, and nearly after this recycle 98% of ammonia is achieved. So this since the reaction is exothermic, the heat evolved further maintains the temperature. This heat maintains the temperature. External heating is therefore not required after the reactants are initiated. The purification, अब ये जो नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन है ना, they are not highly purified. They contains impurities like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and traces of sulfur compounds, which is a poisonous catalyst. So the removal of these catalytic poisons from the nitrogen and hydrogen is very important, otherwise we will not be able to get a result. So we have impurities. कौन कौन सी impurities होती हैं? CO2, H2S, carbon monoxide, CO. So thanks for watching. This was all for today's video.